Chairman Kate Committee for Advancement in Technology and Engineering of IIHQ. It is my pleasure to be a part of this 2 days workshop, Law for Engineers, wherein now I am playing 3 roles. First, to get the financial support. So already IIHQ has given for 2 days financial support to this program. It is very much pleasing for me to note as a KATE chairman that this workshop at Pune has truly got very good response and is representing a national activity, and many engineers are participating in it. In our informal meeting while we met here in the chairman cabin, rightly our chief guest Gaikwad sir have mentioned that engineers need to be a very good administrators. And Justice Deshpande sir said, until you have a program like this in Pune city and you are meeting different professionals, you never feel that you are in the Oxford office educational hub. I am happy that our center has hosted this workshop, which is interdisciplinary in nature and bringing many professionals together. And I think all the expectations which we had is being met, as PLC has set this platform, and I am sure these 2 days will have good deliberations on various laws pertaining to engineering, and we get notable and relevant recommendation to make it to the concerned government authorities. As our chairman have mentioned, through 124 center II is catering to engineering services. We are hosting almost every day a workshop, seminar, national convention at one or other center, whereupon many experts, resource people are coming, and out of their deliberations, whatever are the outcome, those we are submitting to the relevant authority as a recommendation out of that program. On this occasion, let me take this opportunity locally, like globally I expect this recommendation to go to government authorities. Locally our chairman is well-known figure into University of Pune. I request Dr. Bormane sir to formally get this subject introduced in engineering curriculum, because laws many of us don't know, and if we can have different laws which will be taken in this 2 days course of time, and then our committee to frame the syllabus which can be submitted to SPPU, and when SPPU endorse any course into its curriculum, nation follows, because we are Oxford of East.
Thank you, Mundra sir. You have raised very valid point. And because of NEP, now it is very much possible to introduce this type of course in the curriculum, and in future you will see that there will be one course in SPP. Thank you.
That is the experience we have, and sir, we will frame that syllabus under your guidance and will submit the draft course. Thank you, sir.